Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Just had a quick mail drop and want to do a quick unbagging of a couple of items that came in. One came in from County Comm and the other came in from Amazon. So I want to thank all the channel members real quick. Thank all you guys for supporting the channel. I appreciate you more than you know. And if you haven't had a chance yet and you might be interested, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It'll notify you when I upload videos like this one that'll upload in just a few minutes. The unboxing knife today is the Thick Boy version 1. I've been carrying it for 2 days and I'm digging it. All right. So look what we have here, guys. These will come in handy. A couple of little small emergency slip joints. Some County Comm stickers. An 18.6 some type of battery. 10% promo code. And then what we got here is a little laser flashlight. But if I'm not mistaken, it's probably not going to work until I charge this battery, but we will see. Little titanium lamp with a clip. Got a little throw beam. It's like a laser. It's a different type of light. So you got and a really strong beam. I mean, that thing they say will shoot for miles and miles. So anyway, you guys know how I am about my lamps, my flashlights. Got a couple of extra little gaskets in there. Let's put that back in there. Get that out of the way. Throw that away. But this is the Meritech. What's that say? It's a LEP, mini LEP Cosmos, and the LEP is what the laser is. It's got a reversible clip, so you can go either way with the clip. Oh, what's that do? Oh, you can just twist it. It just comes apart. That's weird. I think it's just tail cap operated. You just got your throw beam, very simple, or your strobe. Look away. Oh, that's low, medium, low. Okay, so it's got a low and a high. I like the form factor. I like the size. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's look at it compared to what has been my ride or die, my little Rovivon S3 tie. So it's a little bit longer, but a lot thinner. You can see how the floodlight's more on this one, where this is a lot more directed light. But cool, cool, cool. Let's see what we got in our Amazon bag. And I'm a little worried about this one. This is a little weird. This is a little weird picking up, but everybody talks about this company. Um, F and Grow, Clone and Go. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Although this knife looks very, very, very similar to a knife that is a very famous, popular knife. So this is the F and Grow EF225 Pocket Tool Survival Gray. Looks like a Strider. kinda. I don't know. I've never had an actual strider. Didn't buy this to fake it being a strider. I was just curious what it was because this knife is titanium. It is very heavy. It's D2. It was 75 bucks. Let's see how sharp it is. Not sure how I feel about it. Again, it F and Grow or Eth and Grow on Amazon has a bunch of different models. I was just kind of scanning through their models and was amazed at the prices of their big chunky knives. And I kind of like big chunky knives. This is sharp, guys, for a big chunky knife. But anyway, to me, it looks like a Strider. Very much like a Strider. I don't know if I'd call it a clone because I'm not looking at a Strider next to it. But it was on Amazon, and I just wanted to try an Eth and Grow to see what I thought about it. Let it run through the channel, do an unboxing on it, carry it for a while, do a review, maybe take it apart, see what makes it tick. I can tell you it feels like a very substantial knife. It was, I want to say $65, $69 on Amazon. I want to say it feels like it's worth that as a knife, as a tool. It's got a nice sharpening choil. It's got these nice stops. It's got a frame lock with an over travel stop. It's got very smooth deployment, very smooth lock release. But anyway, guys, it is again just an unboxing. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. We will take a look at the Eth and Grow, what's it called again? The Eth and Grow EF225 Pocket Survival Tool. And I'll give you a review on this Maritac LEP Cosmos Mini laser throw light. I need to get it out when it's dark and check it out and see what it's all about, see how much brighter it is than some of my other lamps. But guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for taking the time to stop by the channel. I appreciate you all. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.